Hello everyone and welcome to Quiz Heat. Get ready for the ultimate surprise challenge. Today, you'll choose between 3 mysterious gift boxes. Pink, purple, or blue. Care to test your luck? If you do, hit the subscribe button for more fun quizzes and let's dive right in. Let's start by choosing your phone. Pink, purple, or blue. Which car would you like to drive? Which ring matches your style? Are you an avid gamer? Choose your gaming PC. Choose your handbag. Choose your ice cream. Choose your castle. Choose your motorbike. Choose your watch. Choose your headphones. Pick your fairy wings. Choose your dessert. Choose your jet, pink, purple, or blue. Choose your magic wand. Where do you prefer to swim? Choose your teddy bear. Choose your sunglasses. Choose your laptop. Choose your hoverboard. Choose your cupcake. Choose your perfume. Choose your unicorn. Choose your couch. Pick your skateboard. Choose your ballroom dress. Do you find cats adorable? Choose your suitcase. Choose your supercar. Choose your makeup set. Choose your chocolate bar. Choose your library. Choose your second castle. Choose your chandelier. Choose your candy land. Choose your crown. Pick your bicycle. Choose your potion. Choose your yacht. Choose your plushie. Choose your magical mirror. Pick your roller skates. Choose your spaceship. Choose your jetpack. Choose your necklace. Choose your dress. Pick your exotic bird. Choose your magic lamp. Choose your bedroom. Choose your convertible. Pick your furry horse. Choose your cake. Which one would you like to wear? Pink, purple, or blue? Choose your dragon. Choose your super bike. Choose your garden. Which one's your dream mansion? Choose your stuffed bunny. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you had a great time on our channel. If you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more fun games like this, and see you in the next video.